What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drads at Greb's Family Dealerships, and today got a special one for y'all. We're going for a drive in this 2023 Lexus IS 500 F Sport Performance. I've been wanting to get a POV test drive on the IS 500 for a while now. This vehicle has a 5-liter naturally aspirated V8 with 472 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. And the exhaust in these things sounds insane. Like, it sounds so good. And this one also has a Borla exhaust, so it sounds pretty good. You have the fully nice leather wrap steering wheel, F Sport badge over here, touchscreen, as well as the touchpad, reverse camera with 360 view, paddle shifters, and you have the awesome Lexus gauge cluster. I really like this gauge cluster. The Sport Plus looks so awesome. The gauges, like the numbers and the tack are more pronounced, and then the white plus the red color scheme is awesome. And we're going to be driving in Sport Plus for this whole drive, so let's hear the exhaust on this thing. Yeah, that sounds insane. Goodness. Okay, let's go walk around it. It's finished in the, and forgive me if the car's a little bit dirty. Had to get a video as soon as I can. It's finished in the infrared. Really nice color. Also have black wheels with the Lexus performance brakes, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires on this one. You have the white interior, really good contrast. And I love the Lexus F Sport stacked exhaust. You normally find that in full F models, but the IS 500 doesn't have, or the IS doesn't have an ISF now, so the IS 500 F Sport has the exhaust. Looks really cool, sounds amazing. Let's get it out on the road. And here's the key fob. Just a regular Lexus key fob. You also have heated and ventilated seats. You definitely need those ventilated seats in the super hot weather. So like the GSF and RCF have like full sport seats. These ones are not like that. These look just similar to an IS 350 F Sport seats. God, that V8 sounds so good. I can't believe how good it sounds. Oh my God. It sounds insane. Yeah, it's insane. What the heck? But like, even in the Sport Plus, it's like very easy to cruise. This is like a very comfortable car. Oh my God, I could never get tired of that sound. The first time I heard the Lexus LC 500, I was like, oh my God, this is exactly like that. Yeah, that is just ridiculous. What the heck? That is so fun. There's nothing like a naturally aspirated V8. Man. I'm telling you, I could just do that all day. I'll never get bored of doing that. Oh my goodness. But the thing with the Lexus transmissions, even in like the full F models, it's kind of laggy, you know? That's the only downside to this car that I see, or a big downside. See, look how long it takes to upshift. If this had a dual clutch, it would be so much more, the shifts would be so much better. But either way, it still just sounds so good. And the acceleration would be better with a faster transmission, but it just sounds phenomenal regardless of whatever transmission's in it. What an awesome sound. That is just so fun. So fun. Yeah, the first time I ever heard this car in person, I was like, goodness. I drove one briefly before, but I didn't really have time to make a POV video. But I finally was able to acquire one for a drive. And these have held their value pretty well too. There's really not a whole lot of them out there. And Lexuses hold their value in general. So an IS 500 F Sport, it makes sense that it holds its value. And this Borla exhaust sounds great. Even the stock exhaust sounds so good. Absolutely fantastic. I'm in eco mode. Don't want that. I forget, you have to press down on the drive selector dial for normal, and then if you go to the, you know, go like this to the left, it'll put you in eco. Yeah, this is an amazing car to daily drive because it is so comfortable. Seats feel great and it looks really good, and while it is a performance vehicle and sounds so good, even in the Sport Plus it handles well, but it doesn't feel punishing at all. It just feels like a great all-around car, which is what I think the point of the even Lexus in general is. Like, there's no F car that Lexus ever made that was so uncomfortable that you can't ever drive it. It's not like that at all. So I think Lexus F cars and F Sport vehicles are a great balance of sportiness and luxury. Yeah, I'm telling you, that just never gets old. Yeah, that was an awesome drive. I absolutely love this car. Super cool. I do wish they made another ISF though. I need to get a video on an RCF and a GSF. But overall, fantastic car. And that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching another video, Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome pre-owned vehicles like this IS 500 F Sport Performance.